Uh, so, uh, Hello everyone, welcome again. And we have just solved paper 2 of UGC NET 2014 of social work. Right now, we are going to solve the paper number 2. Right, so we have solved earlier uh, paper number 3 of 75 question. In section paper number 2 we have 50 objective question. So let's begin. The first question is the life model bracket ecological of social work practice is best associated with Walter Federer, Mary Richemont. This man called Carl B. Germain. He was the man who gave the idea of life model. So third C is the correct option of this question. Sum of the deviations of all the value of x from the mean is known as. This is a very research based question. So the answer would be 0. You right? C, the third. Third question is contradictory demands of the same role is termed as. This is called role strain. In sociology, we talk about this concept when we talk about status and role, right? Role strain means the contradictory demands of the same role. Dementia is the neuropsychiatric problem. So A is the correct option of this question. Question number 5. Social activist and Magsaysay Award winner Dr. Deep Joshi is best associated with tribal welfare. So A is the correct option of this question. C is to evaluate another culture according to the standard of our own culture is known as ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism. We have basically two perspectives in order to understand culture. Right. First, you have ethnocentric approach. Another one is cultural relativist approach. So when you evaluate another culture according to the standards of your own culture, that is known as ethnocentrism, right? Now, question number uh, 7. You know, which of the following are the characteristic feature of urban community? You know, so large size, okay, this is the very problem. This is the very character of urban community. Preparedness, preponderance of volunteer organizations. Okay, this is also anonymity. Okay, and preponderance of secondary and tertiary occupation. So all of them are the very characteristic of urban community. So question number 8. Question number 8 is which one is not the assumption of social casework? So every human being is to be represented? Not. Every human being can change? No. Every human being has some work? No. Every human being is an artist. This is the assumption of special, social casework. So the D is the correct option of this question. Ninth is which is not a correct statement about layoff as per Industrial Dispute Act 1947. This is a very clear act. When you read the act, the option number D would be the correct. For layoff, an employee need not to be the master roles, right? So the question number 10. Question number 10 is according to Durkheim, human agency is considered by political process? No. Social structure? Social structure? Yes, because Durkheim talks about supernumerary nature of society. So it is social structure, you know, which gives human agencies. And according to him, a human agency is constrained by social structure. You are a product of social structure. So B is the correct option. Question number 11. Reproductive and Child Health Program (RCH) in India was launched in the year of 1997. So A is the correct option of this question. So the question number 12. Question number 12 is the notion that men are stronger than women is sanction? No. Value? I don't think. Nor? No. It's a belief, right? So D would be the correct option of this question, right? So you know what happens. Um, you actually sometimes confuse with value or with belief. Value is different. Value is a given part of the society. You know, it's a value judgment. Belief is something that you have, you know, or you always carry. So this notion usually that men are stronger than a woman is a belief. It's a matter of belief, right? So D would be the correct option, right? So 13. Voluntary reference of dispute to arbitration is dealt in under which section of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947? So if you see the International Dispute Act, right, you can clearly say section 10A, you know, dealt, you know, with the dispute to arbitration. So C would be the correct option of this question. Section 10A. GDI stand for Gender Related Development Index. So D is the correct option. Rational emotive therapy is best associated with Eric Bernard. No, it is actually associated with Albert Ellis, right? So C is the correct option of this question, right? Question number 16. It's a which of the following is not the correct matching, right? So functional model, Jeshi taped. Okay, this is correct. Problem solving model, HS Parliament. Okay, this is correct. Client centric therapy, Carl Roger. This is also correct. Reality therapy, William J. Reid. No, this is the wrong. Right. So D is the wrong. Uh, Not correct, I would say. So D is the correct option of this question number 16. 17. Which of the following is not a theory of labor welfare? Not a theory of labor welfare. So, religious theory? No, yes. Trusteeship theory is a welfare theory, labor welfare. Policy theory is also a labor welfare theory. It is distributive theory, which is not a theory of labor welfare. So D is the correct option of this question. Question number 18 is adultery, literacy, and combination of primary, secondary, and tertiary enrollment are the dimension of, this is called knowledge, dimension of knowledge, right? So B is the correct option of this question. Question number 19 is under which of the following articles of Constitution of India does the state provide equal justice and free legal aid? This is Article 39A. So C is the correct option of this question. Right to Information Act was passed in the year of, everybody knows, 2005. Sigmund Freud suggested that mind is composed of thought, feeling, instincts, all of above. It is all of above. It is usually all of above. Don't confuse with instinct. Sigmund Freud, suggested thoughts, feelings, instinct. Instincts, the origin of instinct is it, feeling, emotion, thought, superego, right? So mind is composed of all of these thoughts, feeling, instincts. If you see the 22 number question, as per the William Bartlett report 1941, which were the joint evils of Society of England, right? So it was want, right? Idle and disease. This is not. It was only school and ignorance, right? So first is the correct. Want, idleness, and disease. This is also correct. So 1 and 2 only. So B is the correct option of this question. 23rd is, which of the following is not a part of directive principle of a state policy? So this is panchayats. Yes, panchayat is a part of directive principles of a state policy. Weaker section is there. Animal husbandry is there. Law and order not there. So C would be the correct option of 23rd number question. Law and order is not a part of directive principle of a state policy. So question number 24. 24 is, which among the following is associated with Bachpan Bachao Andolan? Everybody knows he got Nobel Prize also. Kailash Satyarthi. Which of the following? So Kailash Satyarthi is B. B is the correct option. Which among of the following Indian states has conducted the panchayat election first in the country uh, after the 73rd Amendment? It is only Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has conducted the panchayat election first in the country after 73rd Amendment. Decentralization of town democracy, when panchayati Raj institution with reservation came into existence, and Tamil Nadu was the state conducted the panchayat election first after this 73rd Amendment. So 26th number question. 26 is, which of the following is the correct, which not correct? So the first is SSA seeks to provide uh, quality elementary education. Okay, correct. Second one is also correct. SSA address the need of 192 million children in India. Okay, correct. SSA inter ally focus on adult education. No, adult education is not the focus point. So 26 answer would be the D. Uh, Question is asked not correct. So D option is not correct. So question number 27. Which among the following statements is not correct in regard to the 73rd Amendment? Right? So if you read carefully, then regular elections to the panchayat every third year, this is the wrong fact. So only reservation is not less than 33% of women, this is correct. Constitution of a state finance commission to help panchayat, this is correct. Proportionate seat reservations for SC/ST, this is also correct. So C is the correct option of this question. 27 C. Yes. See the question number 8. Which of the following are the attributes of a profession? So, is recognition by the society? Yes. Then controlled in theory? Yes. So first would be the correct option. Recognition by the society and controlled in theory. 29 is uh, the max. Which of the following is correct? The maximum uh, gratuity payable to an employee is 10 lakh. Yes, this is correct. Second is the wage ceiling of for the average of EPF at least 15,000. Okay, this is also correct. The conciliation officer is empowered to pass an award under the Industrial Dispute Act. No, this is not correct. Registration of a trade union is compulsory to get it recognized by the employer. This is correct. So first, second, and fourth. So C is the correct option of 29. The observation made without involving extrinsic and intrinsic variable is known as uncontrolled observation. This is an easy question. D is the correct option of this question. Dot dot is a violation of contextual, cultural, or social norm. This is rebellion, ritualism, diet. No, this is deviance. Deviance is basically a violation of contextual, cultural, or social norms. Dot dot is the study and review of the past operating experience. So recording, no. Accountability, no. Monitoring, no. Evaluation. The evaluation is a study and a review of the past operating experience. Right. So question is not difficult, I think. So 33 is dot dot accesses the the likely turnover in key posts and identify suitable candidates to fulfill these posts in future is known as succession planning. So B is the correct option. So 34 is assertion and reason. So social policy is necessarily concerned with the promotion of social development. Okay, this is correct. Social policy is planned intervention to improve existing social policy. R is also correct. And R is, seems to me, the correct explanation of A. So A would be the correct option of this question. Number 34. So we have 35. New liberal states believe in the minimum intervention by the government. Yes. Scandinavian countries can be seen as the best example of a welfare state. Both are correct, and yes, both are correct only in option number C. So C would be the correct option of this question. Question number 36. Trust is crucial to the relationship between a profession and a client. Yes, trust is in a relationship can act as the catalyst of for behavior change. Yes, and I think R is the correct explanation of A as well. So C would be the correct option of question number 36. Now you have question number 37. Social workers are imparting training in soft skills to the police personnel, right? Yes, true statement. And social workers are trained in best values of justice, equality, and respecting human dignity, which renders them appropriate for imparting training in soft skills. Yes, R is the correct explanation of A. So D would be the correct option of this question number 37. Now you have question number 38. 38 is, which is not a correct match. Muhammad Yunis, Grameen Bank, yes, this is correct. Amrit Sen, Welfare Economy, correct statement. Burgess Koyan, Sampurn Kranti. No, Sampurn Kranti is idea attached by Ram Manohar Lohia or say Jayaprakash Narayan. So, sorry. So Korean was a founder of Amul, and Mahatma Gandhi Swadeshi. Yes. So C would be the correct option. This is because this is incorrect matching. So question number 39. Again you have matching. So A uh, A could sing child welfare service. Then you have question number 39. Yes. Then you have B, strict principle of the social case work. Okay, and then you have Garci Matthew, introduction to social case work. Yes. SK Hinduka, yes, working with the community. So A is the correct option of this question. 39. Question number 40, again you have matching. Question number 40, matching CARA is adoption, yes. Family, morphostic properties, yes. Dementia is Alzheimer, yes. Quetchi is child, yes. So I think A would be the correct option of question number 40. Then you have question number 41. You see the question number 41. Which of the, yeah, again you have matching, right? So matching is MEDA. MEDA is a tribal development, yes. Setup is urban development, yes. PMGSY is rural connectivity, Pradhan Mantri. IAY is rural housing. Yes, so 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is the first would be 41. First would be the correct option. First matching. Again, you have 42 matching. 42 matching. You have probative development is juvenile justice. Yes. Is it juvenile justice or district court? It is a matter of district court. Yes, probative department is there. Huh? District court is third, right? Yes. For law is reward for good conduct. Uh, Vocational training is rehabilitation of offenders. Child welfare is a matter of juvenile justice. So B would be the correct option of this question. So you have again question number 43 matching. So you have uh, arrange the following act in chronicle order of enactment. This is sometimes difficult, but it was the Payment of Wage Act which came into existence. Then after you have Procreation Labor Act. Then after you have Motor Transport Worker Act, and finally you have Payment of Bonus Act. So C would be the correct option of this question number 43. Now you have question number 44. M.G. Ross has described four major roles of worker in community organization. Which one following of those roles? Choose to appropriate code. You know, if you can aware of the work of M.G. Ross, 44 would be only social therapist and expert and guide and enabler. So B would be the correct option. Arrange the following in a sequence in context of history of social work in the West. So 45, if you see, then first you have poor laws appropriate appointment of oversee of the poor, and then you have the average report, and no. First you have friendly visitors, and then have Weber report. So 46 to 4 50 is the passage. So I don't want to discuss passage. Passage is easy. You can read.